Little by little you stopped me shaking. Little by little I made you pay the price. I don't know what hurts the most, to leave you or keep you close. 1 in a million, you were my peace of mind, but I couldn't heal it. The timing just wasn't right. I know I had to let you go, but what if time won't bring you back? Wish I could be selfish and beg you to stay till the ending. I wish that my heart was as cold as ice. I'd tell you 1,000 lies and keep you for